What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jay, and today I'm returning with another banger, another amazing video for you all to enjoy. We are going to be making some smothered chicken wings. Guys and gals, this recipe right here is everything. This is pressure, and I cannot wait for you guys to all give it a try. Let's not waste any time and get right on into the recipe. Let go. So to begin, we're going to be working with about 5 pounds of some chicken wings. I have these already cleaned up and patted dry. I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of oil on these bad boys and give them a nice luxurious massage, as we always do. And you know, we got to season it up proper. On the screen, I have listed everything you need to do so, and of course, it will be in the description box as well for you to reference to. So go ahead and be very generous with this seasoning right here, and make sure your chicken is well coated up, baby. So you want to go ahead and have your oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit at this point. I have my pan here that we're going to bake our chicken in. I'm tossing in some bell peppers. I'm tossing in some onions. We also have some rosemary and thyme that we are going to line our pan with as well. At this point, it'll be smart to just put your chicken broth in there as well. Before you add your chicken, I did it the opposite way for some strange reason. But here we are, we're tossing in our chicken wings like so. And once we have our chicken wings in there, you're gonna add about 2 cups of some chicken broth. The reason I say put the chicken broth before the actual chicken is because you do not want to wash off that delicious seasoning that we have on our chicken. So you can see me here, I'm just pouring it off more to the side, so like I said, I don't wash it off. Once we have our broth in there, we are going to toss this in the oven for about 45 to 50 minutes until it's nice and golden brown, and it's going to be uncovered. Okay, uncovered. Go ahead and let it do its thing. Once it is done cooking, you should be looking something like this. Wow, wow, and wow. How beautiful is this right here? Now you're just gonna remove your chicken and kind of set it off to the side, because we gotta work on that gravy and we need all this delicious juice in this pan to make that gravy. So like I said, we're going to take all that delicious juice and pour it into a little container. And then once we have that taken care of, we're going to get our pan to about, let's say, medium high. And we're going to toss in like half a stick of butter. And once we have that butter starting to melt up, we're going to toss in about 3 tablespoons of some all-purpose flour. If you do not like your gravy super thick, you could reduce this to about 2 tablespoons of some flour. But you do want to fry this up for a little bit. You don't want to have that raw flour taste in your gravy. So let it cook for just a bit. Then we're going to add in that delicious juice from that pan. Bring it on in, give it a stir, let it simmer for a couple of minutes just to start to thicken up. You want to go ahead and salt to taste. Get a spoon, see if it needs anything. Maybe it needs just a slight little pinch of salt. That's all I needed, and it was absolutely perfect. Now that your gravy is pretty much done, you want to go ahead and stack up your chicken and just pour this wonderful gravy over the top. And you know, I gotta hit you with that slow-mo. How beautiful is this right here? Stop playing with your boy. This is absolute pressure on your screen. This is everything. So flavorful, so delicious. Get you a plate of rice, get you some grits, get you some mashed potatoes, whatever that you want to plate this with. The options are endless, baby. You know, garnish with a little bit of freshly chopped parsley, and you are ready to bust down. Man, oh man, this is special. Okay, hope you guys all enjoyed today's recipe. If you're new to the channel, of course, hit that subscribe button, rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. That is the only way for you to get notified every time I upload. Leave me a like so YouTube knows you're loving the content, and I'll be sure to see you all on the next one. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what you think. That's a whole lot of stuff, but I need you to do it, okay? See you all on the next video. Deuces.